Welcome back to my channel for today's autumn clean with me. In today's video I'm going to be doing the everyday cleaning to give you tons of motivation to clean along with me. Today is going to be nice and relaxed as the weather is definitely on the colder side today. It's the first time I've had to put the heating on and it's made me feel super cozy and super autumny. So I thought I would do a nice autumn clean with me today. So there's going to be lots of ironing, hoovering and everyday cleaning to help you clean your homes as well. If you're new here and this is the first time you've ever landed on one of my videos, my name's Amanda and I do cleaning, motivation, organising, decluttering and home DIY projects here on this channel every Tuesday and Thursday to bring you tons of motivation and everything to do with the home. If you do want to be part of the little YouTube family that I am creating here, don't forget to subscribe and also leave this video a thumbs up. So as this morning was actually a super cold one, I thought I would start off with the ironing just to warm me up really and get me in the mood to do the rest of the house. I do struggle to get motivated when it's so cold, so I always try and do something that will warm me up to begin with. So if you do struggle with that as well on these cold mornings, make sure you start with something warm and cozy and that will just get you in the mood. So now I'm just going to go through, iron everything that I hung up yesterday and get it all put away.
Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
I'm really glad that I did go ahead and put a wash load in yesterday, hung it up and got everything ready in preparation for today's video. I didn't know that it was going to be so cold this morning, but having the ironing to do first thing definitely helped. By the time I'd finished, the heating had kicked in and the rest of the house was really warm, so it really helped motivate me to carry on and do the rest of the house. I'm now going to go ahead and put all of the washing away in its right place just so I can then crack on with the bedroom. I'm just going to hang up the shirts, t-shirts and then sort out my drawer because no matter how many times I organise this, it always just ends up a hot mess. So I'm going to pull a few bits out, reorganise it a little bit and then crack on with the bedroom. I made the bed in a rush this morning, so I'm going to remake it, make it nice and neat. Do some hoovering, dusting, sort out the washing in and just get the room ready for the day.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us?
So I've never really been a fan of autumn and winter. I'm definitely a summer person. I absolutely love the sun, the heat, everything that comes with summer I am in love with. But for some reason this year I am absolutely loving autumn and I can't wait for winter. The colder nights I'm really looking forward to, and I think it's just because it's so cozy to just light some candles, sit on the sofa with some blankets, with a hot chocolate. That's just what I am living for this year. I'm not sure why, but do let me know down in the comments what your favourite season is and if you have found a newfound love for autumn this year like I have.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
Now the bedroom's had all the TLC it needs, it's all fresh and ready for the day. I've headed downstairs and I'm just going to crack on with the living room. As you can see, complete disaster like normal, so I'm just going to whiz round, do a general tidy up, hoover, dust and get it ready for the day.
Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No,
I'm going to go ahead and leave the link to my Instagram down in the description below. I absolutely love hearing from you guys over there. So the link's down there if you do want to pop over and give me a follow. I'm active over there every single day, and you'll see a little bit more of behind the scenes of my YouTube videos, as well as my day-to-day life and giveaways, polls, and just more interaction with me over there. So if you do want to get involved with any of that, the link will be down in the description below.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
Now I just need to go around and give everywhere a nice good hoover. It's amazing how a room feels once it's been hoovered. I absolutely love it. I think it transforms the whole room after it's had a good tidy. It has a completely different vibe to it, and I've said it many times, but I always feel like it makes the room feel bigger, and I don't know if that's just me, so do let me know if I'm a little bit crazy thinking that. But after a good hoover, the room always feels bigger to me. So I do love to hoover every day, or at least every other day, just to make my house bigger in some sort of way. So I'm just going to go ahead and hoover the front room and get everything nice and fresh. Thank you so much for watching today's autumn clean with me. I really hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If it did help motivate you, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future uploads. I'm going to go ahead and leave another one on the screen here, and I will see you back here in the next one.